Let A, B, C be events relative to the sample space S. Using Venn diagrams, shade the areas representing the following events. Part A intersection B whole complement. So let's look at the Venn diagram. So this is not very accurately drawn. The more accurate way to draw it is to write A a little outside this left circle, because A represents all of this left circle. Similarly, B should have been written a little bit outside this right circle. So B represents all of the right circle and C represents all of the bottom circle. So A intersection B is what's common to A and B. So A consists of 2, 7, 3, 8, and B consists of 7, 6, 8, 5. So we see that 7 and 8 are common to A and B. So basically A intersection B is 7 and 8. So we'll have 7, 8 for A intersection B, and we have to take the complement of that. So the complement of 7, 8 is everything that's not 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Select the region corresponding to A union B whole complement. So let's open the diagram again. A union B is the collection of everything in A and B. So basically the top two circles represent A and B. So that means 2, 7, 6, 3, 8, 5 is A union B. Let's list it. 2, 7, 6, 3, 8, 5. A union B is 2, 7, 6. 3, 8, 5, and we are to take the complement of that. So complement. So complement of that would be everything that's not 2, 7, 6, 3, 8, 5, which means 1 and 4. Select the regions corresponding to C intersection B union A. So first we have to work out C intersection B. So C intersection B is what's common to C and B. So C is 3, 8, 5, 4. B is 7, 6, 8, 5. So we see that 8 and 5 are common to C and B. So the C intersection B part is 8 and 5. Union A, and A is 2, 7, 3, 8. Okay, so we have to then basically take the unions of these two sets. So 2, 7, 3, 8, union 8, 5. Now 8 is already there, 5 is not here. So we'll have 2, 7, 3, 8, 5. So we add 5. We get rid of everything else. Okay. Suppose a family is leaving on summer vacation in their camper. M is the event that they will experience mechanical problems. T, the event that they will receive ticket for traffic violation. And V is the event that they will arrive at a campsite with no vacancies. Referring to the accompanying Venn diagram, lists the numbers of regions that represent the following events. Okay, part A, the family will experience no mechanical problems. So experiencing mechanical problems is M. So no mechanical problems will be M complement. No mechanical problems and, now and means intersection. And will not receive a ticket. So receiving a ticket is T. So not receiving a ticket is the complement of T. So T complement. But will arrive at a campsite with no vacancies. Now, but is also like an and. So for example, if I make the statement, let's write down but serves. So first, let's make note of it. And means intersection. Or means union. Yeah. But means the same as and. Let's illustrate how. So, for example, the statement I have 3 shirts but 2 pants. So this statement is the same as the statement I have 3 shirts and 2 pants. The only difference between the two statements is I'm saying but here and I'm saying and here. So you can look at the two statements and convince yourself that they mean exactly the same thing. Therefore, but is just an and in disguise. So in that problem, we have but will arrive at a campsite with no vacancy. So but is like an and is intersection. So arriving with no vacancies is the event V. Now, once we have boiled it down to this one, now we can look at the Venn diagram and do it the way we did the previous problem. So M complement is everything that's not in M. So M is 5, 4, 2, 1. And so when we take the complement of it, it would be 7, 3, 6, and 8. These are the ones that are not in M, 7, 3, 6, 8. So that's M complement. So M complement is 7, 3, 6, 8. Similarly, T is 4, 7, 1, 3. So the complement of T will be 5, 2, 6, and 8. And V is just 2, 1, 3, 6. So now we have 3 intersections going on. So we have to see what's common in all these 3. So 7 is not common in all the 3. 3 is not. 6 is. This one has 6, this one has 6, and this one has 6. And 8 is not. So 6 is the only one that's common among all these 3. So the answer is 6. The family will experience both mechanical problems and trouble in locating campsite with vacancy. So mechanical problems is M, and means intersection. Mechanical problems and locating a campsite with vacancy. So that problem is V. But will not receive a ticket. And as we convinced ourselves, but means the same thing as and, means intersection. Not receive a ticket. So receiving a ticket is T, not receiving a ticket is T complement. And then once we have reached this one, it's exactly the same as before. So M is 5, 4, 2, 1. So I replace them with 5, 4, 2, 1. V is 2136. And T is 4713. The complement would be 5268. And now let's see. 5 is not common because it's not here. 4 is not common because it's not here. 2 is common among all the three. And 1 is not common, so 2 is the answer. A family will either have mechanical trouble is M, or campsite, arrive at campsite with no vacancy, that's V. So or means union V, but means intersection and will not receive a ticket, so that's T complement. So now we list them. So M is 5421. V is 2136. And T is 4713, so complement is 5268. Now let's solve it. So we first solve this union of these two. So 5421, because the way this was phrased is it was phrased in a way which makes this family will have either mechanical trouble or arrive at a campsite with no vacancies. So that is one part. So you can think of these two being together. And then after that, we have a but, and that's an intersection. So we first solve the union here. So 5421 union 2136 will be 542136. And then we have intersection. Five two six eight. And these two have 5 2. So 5 is common, 2 is common, and 6 is common. So both of these have 5, 2, and 6. So the answer is 526. And then we can erase everything else. Okay. So one more. The family will not arrive at a campsite with no vacancies. So will not arrive with no vacancies. So the no vacancies is V, and not arriving with no vacancies means V complement. So it's actually a roundabout way of saying V complement. So V is 2136. The complement of that would be 5478. And that finishes this first homework.